How to work with multiple marks in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo from the top toolbar and select the image you want to work on from your gallery, or capture a new one using the camera icon at the top right. Once your image opens in the editing workspace, tap on the Cutout tool from the bottom toolbar. Use the auto options like people or background to quickly create your first marks. If you need to remove any part of the marks, switch to the Erase tool or use Restore to bring back parts you accidentally erased. After applying your first marks, you can add more marks by tapping the Add toolbar to create multiple marked areas on your image. You can work on each mark separately, refining and adjusting as needed by switching between the marks. Use your fingers to move or resize marked areas to position them perfectly within your composition. Take your time to layer, blend, and fine-tune multiple marks for complex edits like combining subject, changing backgrounds, or adding creative effects. Once satisfied with your marks edit, tap the Save icon at the top right corner to save or share your edited photo. And that's it. Now you know how to work with multiple marks in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.